Hello everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to recover deleted stories on Instagram. So first of all, you just open up the Instagram app, then you go down to your profile and click on it. Then you click the three lines at the top and scroll down to your activity and you click on it. You scroll down to recently deleted and click on it. You will see your recently deleted story. You click on story and you click on more, which is three dots at the bottom. You will see two options, delete or restore. So you just click on restore. You click on restore again and your story has been restored. To make sure, you go back and click on recently deleted again, and as you can see, it's no more there.